Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So guess what? Indy's cupboard is being delivered today. Thankfully, I ended up ordering the right one. So today we're going to change her over into a toddler bed, which I am slightly petrified of because it's Indy and she doesn't really sleep through the night half the time. But I'm thinking because her cot's oval, she's actually waking herself up by like touching the sides and things like that. So I'm gonna get her a toddler bed. Hopefully that might help her sleep through. So the craziest thing, and I feel slightly bad, is because I'm always the one who's like, oh, Indy this and Indy that. She has completely toilet trained herself. Like, I don't understand like how she has just somehow managed to, she's done it. And it's crazy, and I'm absolutely gobsmacked because I thought there was no way in hell we'll ever be ready and she'll ever want to toilet train. She's 2.5. She goes to the toilets for number 1 and number 2s, and she has now woken up 4 nights in a row with a dry nappy. So since she has done that, I feel as though we're gonna reward her by getting her a big girl bed and doing her cupboard and doing her room up. So wish us luck. Hopefully we'll be able to set the bed up this afternoon. I don't really think we'll be able to get too much done because no one wants to cut the corners out the right way and put the cupboard in the right way this time compared to the wrong way, which was me last time. So let's see what we can do. He just woke up. Ikea has just turned up. So get ready to start this room again. Huh? Because you're getting Sissy's cot, aren't you? So we're going to give Sunny Indy's cot, and then Indy's cot is going to one of our family members because they're just having a baby too. Huh? Who's that? Is that Sunny? Yeah. Okay. That's all here. Who's ready for round 2 of the Ikea? Huh? Not Nolan, that's for sure. Alright, operation get Indy's room. Well, when I say room, let's just get her cot, get her other bed in. And then we can, actually I'll probably keep the cot in here tonight because if she gets really full on, at least I can transfer her straight to the cot. So I'm assuming it's like going to be a bit of a process, maybe. I can feel the regret already. But we're doing it. We're doing it, and here we go. Fingers crossed I can get this done before any of the other kids get home and they want to help. So, hey! Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Mummy and Sunny go building, huh? High five? Yay! I was filming it as I was going, but Sunny keeps getting hold of the camera and taking photos, so I'm just gonna have to show you when it's done. So I've done the 2 bed ends. It's literally taken me like 10 minutes, if that, just to do that. There's only like the 2 extension pole things to go, and then we'll be done. Huh? Maybe he might let me film this, but if not, you know why. Alright, it's in. Told you it was only small. But we've done it. Her old bed's here. It's a new one. Sunny's vacuuming. So, I'm going to keep this one in here for a few days, just until she settles in this one properly. You ready to go see your surprise?
Can you tell me what it is, Mom?
No.
Minute.
In a minute?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just let you finish your dinner. Are you done yet?
No.
What about now? Your surprise is in your room.
I wonder if it's big or small. Whoa, my bed! My bed!
Do you love it?
This is my bed. Today, you can sleep on any side you want.
I swear that's bigger than my bed.
This is my big girl bed. And guess what? I can wake up my big girl bed.
Are you a
Guess
big
what?
girl?
Yeah, maybe Ivy could sleep with me one night. Keep my mind. Yeah.
Hey, Indy, can I sleep in your old bed?
No, this is not my bed. I'll get inside in this one. I'll get inside in
You
this
should actually
one.
should give Sunny this one.
It's mommy.
Do you like your bed?
I wake up on here.
Yeah.
I wake up to sun came out. I wake up by myself from a chair. And guess what? Can I test it? No.
Is this your bed?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
It is my bed. Just to wake up, I wake up on here.
Yeah, is it comfy? Lay down.
I can wake up like this. I can lay down.
That's so young. Never too annoying, aren't they?
Then he, I'll get some of this.
Do you think Sonny can have this one?
Yeah. It will be tiny.
Sonny helped Mummy build it.
You did good though.
It was actually pretty easy, believe it or not. There was only a couple of screws that wouldn't go in, like in here. But it only took like 20 minutes.
Hello.
I'm gonna get my shirt off. Okay?
Why?
Because I'm not going to bed. Mommy!
Hi!
No, I'm Mom.
Oh, Ivy's the mum.
Yeah. You be Dad. I will be sister.
Oh, okay. Morning. How did you sleep?
Good.
Indy, did you sleep in your bed all night?
Not even this bed.
Yeah, and did you wake up when the sun came up? Oh, it's a nice toy, Sonny. Thanks. So I think we're going to end this one here because building a wardrobe is going to take longer than a YouTube video, I think.
Yeah.
Indy, do you like your new big girl bed?
Yeah, my room.
In your room? Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Are you a big girl? Did you sleep well? What time do you wake up? When do you get out of bed?
About in the morning when the sun came out.
That's right. So I think we've done the right thing. I think she's happy with the bed. She slept fine last night. Fingers crossed she sleeps fine tonight. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated into our next video with Indy's wardrobe. That shall be fun because it will feature Nolan. Very happy, I'm sure. But anyway, thanks for watching and make sure you click subscribe and give us a thumbs up and have a great day. See ya.
Bye.